a problem, what do? Stop and think it through. Try one way, try something new. That's what innovators do. When you have a problem, don't give up, no. Use your brain, let your ideas flow. Build it, test it, watch it go. That's how inventors grow and grow.
Hello, friends. Oh, I am so happy to see you today. Yes, I am. Today, we are going to be innovators. Can you say innovator? Innovator. Good job. You know what? Sometimes things don't work. Sometimes we have problems. Like when your toy breaks or your zipper gets stuck. That's a problem. Yes, that is. Innovation means using your brain to make something helpful. Like if your toy rolls under the chair, you may use a stick to pull it out. That is smart thinking. Or if your blocks keep falling, you try again and again and build stronger. That is problem solving. Guess what innovators do? They think. They try. They solve the problem. And that's what we are going to do today. We are going to solve a wind problem. A windy, breezy, invisible problem. And we are going to build something really cool to fix it. Are you ready? Let me hear you say yes.
Hey!
Whoa, I heard you. Look, the leaves on the tree are moving. That means the wind is blowing. But how strong is the wind? Is it soft? Is it fast? Is it big? That is our big problem today. Scientists ask questions. Builders ask questions. Innovators also ask questions. So let's ask, how can we measure wind? Measure means we check how much, like how tall, how long, how fast. Wind is tricky because we cannot see it. So we need a tool. A tool helps us do a job. Today, we will build a special tool. A wind watcher. Can you say wind watcher? Wind watcher. sounds cool. And guess what, friends? We are going to build one today. A wind watcher. With just these simple things, we are going to solve the invisible wind problem. Ready? Let's do it! Okay, builders, we are going to need paper cups, glue, straws, carton paper, and scissors. Let's get into it. Friends, we solved an invisible problem, the wind. Yes, we did. That's what innovators do. One, they notice problems. Two, they think hard about solutions. Three, they build something new. Four, they test it to see if it works. And you know what? You can do this with any problem. A broken toy, a messy room, a game that's not fun anymore. You stop, think, try, build, and test. You are an innovator. You are a problem solver. And your ideas matter. I am so proud of you. Now, go outside and watch the wind. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.